Nice location, country setting, 8.61 acres of beautiful wooded sloping hillside that could be split and have 2 homes with 2 city water hookups paid for, power available. New ATT septic system has been installed and has a certificate of completion from DEC. Building site has been graded and marked off. Zoning clearance letter from City of Myrtle Point. Seller's plans were for a 50 by 50 footprint of the home and a 24 by 28 detached garage with game room, bath and wet bar upstairs. Worth a look.